Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So I'm going to be doing a self-care routine, but first, before we get into it, I'm going to start with my collab just because so I can remember to do it in this first portion of the video, and also because one of the products, well, both the products actually are going to be featured. So the first product I'll actually like to talk about, so I was gifted two products from them, which was the deodorant. They're all natural aluminum free deodorant, and then I also was gifted their cleansing stick just to show you guys what it looks like. I'm actually wearing the deodorant right now. I wore it all day. I wore it twice so far, but I wanted to see how it would work out if I went all day, like going outside. I did go to a concert tonight and I don't smell funky. I haven't showered yet. Smell my pits and they still smell fine and good. Like, they don't smell sweaty or anything of that nature, which is what I was afraid about, because I have tried a lot of, like, two brands of aluminum free deodorant, and what happened with those two is that I still smell like sweat and I had to keep on reapplying. And I did reapply again because I was just scared, but nothing. Like, I just smell normal. Like, I don't smell like sweat or anything like that. So I'm very impressed. I want to continue using it though to see if I like it and I can use it on my everyday. But for right now, so far I've used it and I feel like it's been pretty good. I don't feel like I needed to reapply. It was just like a thing in my mind to, like, you need to reapply it, you need to reapply it. But even in reapplying it like that one time, just a little bit, I came back, like I said, I came from the concert and my pits do not stink. But yeah, just to show you guys a close-up, this is what the product looks like. Now the next product that I want to talk about, as you guys can see, hopefully you guys can see, I don't know if you can tell in the lighting of my camera, but I do have makeup on. My brows are done. I do have some of my Fenty makeup tint thing, and then I have some eyeshadow. So I got the Clean Slate all-in-one cleansing stick. So pretty much this is supposed to help excuse me, this is supposed to help with taking off what do you call this, off your skin, to my mind, helping remove makeup off your skin. So this I'm gonna actually be demoing for you. But before that, let me just quickly show you guys what the deodorant looks like, just so you know. Now this deodorant is pomegranate flavor. I don't remember if they have other flavor scent, but this is what it looks like. It smells good. You can definitely smell the pomegranate, but it's not too high fragrance, if that's the best way I can bring. And I do like the packaging. It's really cute, it's simple, and you know, neat. And I just realized it meets the requirements too for, like, if you wanted to carry a small sized deodorant. But anyway, back to this. So this is the all-in-one cleansing stick, Clean State. Same premise. The packaging is the same. The bottle is just a little tinier. And then they all come with the cover, like I showed you guys before. And then this is what it looks like. This doesn't have a, like, scent. It just smells really natural. So I'm actually just gonna do my other steps first, like brushing my teeth and stuff first before, because I feel like you should never brush your teeth and then wash your face. You should, in that order. And use the cleansing stick. Cleans. Okay, just gonna go ahead and take this part off. And pretty much just to swipe and apply on dry skin, then gently massage in circular motions to melt away any makeup or dirt. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply like this to my skin. Now I have used a cleansing balm once and I did like it, so I'm interested to see how I like this one. Like I said, I'm gonna wash my face in the shower actually, just because it'll be a mess here. I have a small sink, so it's a little harder, but I've got it in majority of all the spots. Hopefully you guys can see it. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's kind of like oily almost because it's a balm. So I'm gonna see how that removes all the things off my skin. So yeah, once I rinse off my face and everything, and I'll tell you guys how well it worked. Alright you guys, so I'm out of the shower, and I have to say right off the bat, before I actually apply my toner that I normally use, I feel my face definitely feels really clean and free of all the makeup. And that's the thing too with makeup, I don't wear makeup every day. I might normally wear it at least once a week, and so I do use makeup wipes, and I believe alleyoop does sell makeup wipes as well. They do have a few different things, like they also have, what do you call it, they do sell their own makeup as well. I know for sure that I think they have a set of brushes. They also sell like eyeshadow sticks, if I'm not mistaken, and eyeshadow, so you definitely can check them out for that. I will leave the links of these two products from them, but what I will say is, if I didn't mention this, I don't remember if I mentioned that they are a vegan brand. They are paraben free, they are talc free, they are, sorry, there was another one I'm missing, oh, sulfate free, cruelty free, and micro bead free. So they're free of a lot of things, which I think is good, because let's be honest, yes, there's a lot of things that have a lot of these things in there, but I'm slowly merging, like I have changed to some vegan products, but it's slowly taking me time. Because stick, like I said, I just finished using it. I like it so far. I feel like my face feels refreshed. I do like, I will say, in comparison to makeup wipes, although I've used makeup wipes as well, I like that the cleansing stick, I don't have to I just like spread it on my face, and then I can easily just wash it off, and it almost like it melts away the makeup very easily, as opposed to, I feel like when I'm using wipes, sometimes I'm going through two wipes, and I have to keep on like going back and forth to make sure everything is off. This, just doing that motion and just getting all over my face and then washing it off, I feel like it was so much easier and more efficient and quicker than using multiple wipes. But this is my test to see. Of course you have to use a toner. It does say use a toner after, but I always tone my face anyway, just to remove any extra dirt from my face. So let's see, this is the moment of truth, because I feel like this is when I know if like I did really well cleansing my face, but the product worked in taking off anything. So far I'm not seeing too much stuff on my cotton round. I don't know if you guys see that, just a little bit, which means that's really good, because in the past I have seen a lot of stuff still on my cotton round when I'm cleaning my face, and that tells me that even with the makeup wipes or whatever I used, I didn't use enough of the product. Either I didn't use enough of that or clean my face properly. But I feel like this did a pretty good job, because I just have minimal, it's not too bad, like it's not, that's the thing why like I feel like toner is good to use, because sometimes even when you use makeup wipes or cleansing balms, sometimes, and then I also of course use my cleansers, but there's still always that left over, and that's why they even say it here, like if you read the back of the description, it says follow with well, they specifically said follow with their Cool It toner, but I just used what I had because I have my toner here, and like I said, I've only got these two products. Sorry, I'm washing clothes currently. I was so out of it because like I had cramps, and like I didn't even turn on the washer. So but now the load is almost done. I could have had my clothes in the dryer. Anyway, so continuing the self-care routine, it is the next day. Now as you guys can see, one of my nails, oh, I don't want to do the wrong side here. One of my nails popped off, and I have no idea where it went. And the only thing I would say about some of these nail companies, they never have enough of sizes. So now I'm like kind of forced to take off the whole set. I did want to keep it longer because I had to like glue some of them, but unfortunately I'm just gonna take off the whole set because I don't have any more of this size for this finger. That was like the only one I had. So anyway, I also realized I didn't have any more short nails. All my nail sets that I have of my press-ons are longer, and I knew my mom would have it because my mom always has some. So I just grabbed like 2 pairs from her. I'm gonna do this one because it's giving me fall vibes. So it's like a orangish looking color. I will try to link it. I don't know if I'll find it, or I asked her. I'm pretty sure she got it from Temu though. But first, my mom also bought this. Yeah, she definitely bought this from Temu. I can tell because I purchased from Temu and the labels always look like this. So this I'll definitely link. But pretty much just to quickly show you guys, it's pretty much, she said it's supposed to help you remove the acrylic nail. It's called Debonder. So yeah, it's supposed to help you. It says I've never used it. This is the first time I'm using it. I don't think she says she's ever used it either. So I'm going to see how it works. Because normally I do the soap in the water. Because depending on which glue I use, sometimes the nail is like pretty stuck. To take off the nail off my. But it says, take an appropriate amount of adhesive solution and apply it to the adhesive or the edge of the nail patch. While applying, use a special tool to tear open the nail plate. So I will go. So first things first, I'm going in with the debonder. Now it worked really well. At first I thought it was a joke and it wasn't gonna work. Though I only had an issue with one nail for whatever reason, like the nail was stuck for everlasting life and it didn't want to come off. I even ended up using soap and water for that one nail, but all the nails, as you guys are gonna see, like they just popped off 1, 2, 3. That first hand was like I just lifted up, the world was like pop, 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 and the nail came off. But I like the premise of it, and I just use the stick. I always use this type of stick to just help get around the edges so that my can just come off. And I don't want to bore you guys, so I try to make this as fast as possible, but also give you guys content because I don't want to make it too quick either, because I wanted you guys to see exactly what I'm doing. But as you guys can see they're just lifting and they're just coming right off. Alright, these are how I laid out my nails. I always lay them out first so I know. Now I'm just filing down my nails, taking off all the old glue and everything that was stuck to my nail. And now I'm applying the nail bond glue. I forgot to show you guys the glue if I didn't. To my nail before I apply it. I'ma hit you when I get the chance, don't worry. Taking my time since you can't hurry. Scoring like Brown, I like this my jersey. I'ma get mine every time, that's Shirley. I be getting mine every time, that's Shirley. Alright, now I'm putting in a top coat. I forgot it was gel, so I was like, I had to pull out my UV lamp to make sure it was cured properly. And now I'm just going with my Sally Hansen cuticle oil. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do the slow brew mask, slow brew botanical mask. And I'll talk to you guys for the rest of it. Hey guys, so really quickly, while I'm waiting for my face to dry, I just washed my face mask. I'm trying to get back to the basics, but I'm also trying not to be lazy. Luckily tomorrow I have off, so that's why I was like, I can spend a little more time to do my face mask, because normally at this time I'm already like in my bed ready to go to sleep. But also I'm not trying to go to sleep late. I want to still maintain my sleep schedule, because I go back to work on Tuesday, even though I'm off tomorrow, which is Monday. But anyway, really quickly, while I'm letting my face air dry, I'm really trying to finish like some products. It's like I'm trying new products, but at the same time like trying to finish products, especially body care products like body lotions, because I've gotten so many either for free or during collabs. So I'm trying to finish like the old products first, and then kind of like go back and forth. And I feel like with my pamper routine, that's when I kind of like, or I'm just filming a routine for you guys, but on daily, like I try my best to, especially at nighttime, to try to use this. This is generally the Dr. Teal's the body lotion. I generally use this during the nighttime. I also had the body scrub from the line. I finished that finally. But I've been really trying to like go assess my products and see like the brands that I'm not finishing. I'm just going to be using The Ordinary. And then I'm just going to go ahead and use these Screen Time Blue Repair Under Eye Jellies that I got from, I think I got this from, I'm going to say TJ Maxx or something like that. But I think I'm going to end it here though. Aside from me doing this, I was going to show you guys like doing my foot care, which was pretty much simple. It was just going to be me showing you guys my Dr. Teal's. But I didn't end up doing that today. I was like pretty like not feeling too well earlier, so I didn't get to do that part. So I might just do that tomorrow on my leisure time. It just won't be a part of this video, just because I want to start editing this video tomorrow so that it's edited since I'm home. I kind of want to use that time, use tomorrow as like a filming day. I mean, not filming, like I want to be productive in terms of editing content and stuff like that. And or filming, I may film something else for TikTok, but other than that, like, that's it. But so yeah. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Hope you guys enjoyed this pamper routine. This is not your average aesthetically pleasing. This is what I do. I didn't do any type of shower routine because I wanted to be in and out. Simply because it's Mother Nature time and I don't got time for all that. But yeah. That's it. I think that's it. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. Hit the notification button, subscribe button so you're notified every time I post a video. And share this video, because maybe I shared a product that you guys may be interested in. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.